nearby, and but she or she searches for other girls or guys when you're away. Is it accurate? Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Styx Talk on the streets of Manila. And on this video, we'll be interviewing people here at the University of the Philippines and Bonifacio Global City. And I will be doing this my very pretty and very smart co-host, Alora.
Thanks so much, Dean. Let's hope we can find people who are smart enough to answer all of our questions. Bonus, if they're also cute.
All right, let's do this.
Let's go!
Let's go! Can you name any programming language?
Which programming language are you familiar with? Are you familiar with any programming language?
Do you know any programming languages? Like just not you code, but at least a name of a programming language.
Are you familiar with any programming language? 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 Are you familiar with any programming language?
Do you know any programming language?
Python?
Python. You got it right.
Okay.
So you
Programming language? What do you mean by that?
It's an IT language. Are you familiar with any programming language?
Oh, I'm not into IT.
Oh.
Mhm.
Sorry, hindi ako masyadong familiar din. Sorry, ano lang ako, ay high school grad lang.
Okay, that's okay.
I'm not sure. I think I don't know one.
you don't know any
Yeah.
programming language name. Not you don't need to code it or use it for coding. Just the name of the programming language.
Something like you do shortcuts in keyboards? Not one?
Not that one.
I don't know.
Zero.
No.
All right.
Like Java.
Yeah, Java is a programming language.
Java, and then Java lang yung familiar ako talaga eh. Java.
Okay.
Like Java? Or
Yeah. Yes.
yes, I think I'm quite familiar with Java or something.
Not that I can think of.
SQL.
SQL. Oh, I see.
Well, I was familiar with C++.
No. No name programming language. All right.
Are you a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth? So, are you a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth?
You a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth?
A Wi-Fi.
A Wi-Fi. What about you, sir? Are you a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth?
Wi-Fi.
A Wi-Fi. So the both of you are Wi-Fis. So if you're both Wi-Fis, that means you both see all available devices, but connect to only the strongest and most secured one. Wow, that's nice.
I think Wi-Fi.
What about you?
Wi-Fi.
Okay, so if you're both Wi-Fis, that means you see all available devices but connect only to the strongest and most secured one, meaning you are loyal. Wow. Now you know that he's loyal.
Correct? Correct?
Before mo pa sabihin. Before you know.
Before I...
Are you a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth? Both of you are Bluetooth. All right, guys, both of them are Bluetooth. Let's see what Bluetooth is. He or she is connected to you when you're nearby, and but he or she searches for other girls or guys when you're away. Is it accurate?
No.
No? Well, that shows Bluetooth.
No.
No?
Still a no.
But it's a joke. So you're both Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi is his only available device. only the strongest and most trusted.
Maybe because we chose because we're
Pairing. About the pairing connection.
No,
we're millennials.
no, Bluetooth only is connected when you're around. But searches for others when you're away.
Anyway, it's a hard
Anyway.
no.
So,
Yeah.
thanks for this participating, guys.